her butt cheeks on that pole. There you go. Doing intercept course. Anybody tell you ever look like somebody in Hollywood?
Maybe once or twice.
Yeah. Come on, put a bend on the pole.
I need to get the drag.
It's only gonna let you take in so much at a time with the drag. You gotta pull up and then reel down.
Right.
It's set up so it forces you to do that way.
Okay.
You can't just muscle, winch it in.
Yeah. Okay.
Whole idea is to fish.
That's the way it is. Oh yeah, I don't see him yet.
Oh, he's going the other way.
Straight out. Now you gotta do it all over again.
Nice bend on the pole. I like that. Come on, put a bend on it. Oh.
So today's a back day, right?
No cardio here. A little bit of head shake.
Well, it's getting close. There's the lead.
This has got the short leader on it. He's gonna go for the motor. Okay, now he can't get in the prop.
There's the balloon.
There he is.
Yes.
Hey.
That's nice. Wow.
Look where the hook's at.
Yeah.
What did he take?
They took the one off the balloon.
The ladyfish?
Yeah. He ain't done yet.
Oh, he's got a little.
Got a little fight in him. So is that the Nerf shark or?
No, that's a bull. Little bull.
Oh, that's a bull shark.
Right there. He went for the motor.
Why is that?
Get cut off. He's been caught before. Lift up, lift up, lift up.
Remember, keep his head out of the water when you can.
Reel down. I'll turn the boat a little bit.
Oh, he's going there. Yeah, he's going there.
It's all right.
How's your arms feeling? Good?
Pull up. Come on, pull up. It's all you, dude.
You can keep his head up. That's a good size.
Yep, not bad for the winter.
Bigger than your last one. So you can get his head up.
Ah, he swallowed the hook.
Oh, yeah, it's right down there, right?
Yeah, he swallowed the hook. Hot damn.
Yeah.
He's going to go run again. Keep him up. Come on, keep him up. Reel down on him a little bit and keep him up. Up, 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 up.
Yeah.
Keep him up, 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 up.
Keep that head.
All right, we're stationary, so.
Want me to keep video or what?
No. Just get a snapshot maybe.
So, what do we got here? Pulling forward.
Going for it.
Pulling forward. Now come toward you. Back up. Toward.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll put that on there.
A little further over to the boat. There you go.
How's it feel? Good. Strong? Yeah.
Little up. Keep up a little more. There you go. He doesn't like being on his back.
No,
He's not about to go to sleep.
go close. You don't touch the boat.
There you go. Up, up, up. Pull him up. Up.
Almost done.
All right. Grab the bolt cutters. You're not going to be able to get the hook.
No, that's okay. I got a hook.
I told you if I do it, I'm gonna fucking drop them. I don't want to drop them.
Don't drop them. Just cut the line.
You want to take
Not
this
up there.
Yeah, it's just I know I will. You know how jumpy I get.
All right. Lift it up. There you go.
I just get as low as I can.
Low as you can. Can't go to the corner of the. You gotta go right in the middle. Oh, there you go.
It's not cutting though. Because it's the lead, right? Come more back.
All right. When you close the jaws, close the jaws. Where's it come together?
It was right. Yeah. It's not.
There.
It's not cutting enough.
Not anymore. All right, grab the knife and just
Get it. Do you want me to cut on top of the lead?
yeah, you
Or
got
right here?
right there.
Wow. Dude, that was awesome. Nice job. Good. Did a good job fighting that.
Okay. Guess what? It's time for us to do it again. Batter up is
It's Chris.
Chris has got one on, supposedly. We're going to find out. So let's go chase them. By the way, today they're all hitting on the bottom. None of them's hitting up on the top of the water. So let's go. All right, engage.
Flip up.
Yep. Move your star drag up a little bit. Roll your star drag up, forward. Pull up. Pull up.
Pull up. Pull. Now we'll reel down.
Pull up and then reel. Pull up and then reel. Hey Trent, I gotta see my trolling money.
Small by the feel of it, but that doesn't mean it's not going to change its.
It could get bigger in a
Yeah,
moment.
I was going to say. Work it, work it, work it.
This is the type of,
This is my type of workout.
yeah. If you're going to twerk like this. Is he still on there?
Yeah, I don't know if he's there or if he. Something's there.
He's stuck
Yeah.
on. Don't
Might be
work.
stuck.
It might be caught around some coral.
Tight. Do you tighten your drag?
No, don't.
No,
No, we want to just.
We want him to see if he'll swim out, maybe, right?
Yep. We're going to swim or go to the other side.
Do you want me to go through the front?
No. I want you right here. I'm going to move the boat around over to the side of them.
You feel something down there, like the coral. No. I think he just came out. Yeah, he just came out.
Okay.
He got stuck on coral.
Oh,
grouper.
it's a grouper.
Yeah.
All right, hang on. You gotta, let me put him in park. Wow.
That's a good size one.
Normally you don't see him this like that this early.
Just like me.
Hold on. Hold on, I don't know what. Oh, okay, there we go.
Turn it around.
Oh, that was good.
Flip now.
Put your hand up there.
Yeah.
All right.
Flip it.
Flip it.
At 200 feet now. Why isn't it reeling?
You gotta turn your star drag forward.
There you go.
All right. Guess who's on again? Chris.
Well, the second time, but I don't know. I think it let go. Unless it's swimming. Right to me. It let go. Yeah, it let go.
They let go.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
I don't think so. It's not supposed to be swimming forward.
It's not swimming ahead of the boat. Yep, we're getting old.
Sure, don't believe me.
No.
Yeah, let go of something.
He did. He let go. That's a darn shame.
He had it.
Once again.
Once again, we'll try this on the
Well,
third time.
let's go back.
Hands up. Engage.
Engage. Put tight and drag this. All right. Pull up. Oh!
Yeah, we got something on here.
All right. Are you in, Trent?
I'm in, yep.
All right. We're going to.
Good.
Yeah, 250 now, 260.
I'm doing plot and intercept. Tighten the drag a little more. Oh yeah. You got a shark this time. Tighten the drag a little.
Eh?
Tighten the drag. Push your star forward.
The other way.
Star forward. Star. Turn it. Turn it. Turn it.
That's it. One more. It's not real. Reel, work that baby.
Pull up.
Yeah.
Come on.
Come on, reel. Let's go. Work it, bud. What, are you gonna let him get to New
Well,
York?
I can't reel if he's still peeling line. I gotta wait till he stops.
There you go.
Yeah, don't give him no slack when you go down. You're giving him a little slack.
Yeah. Reel like a zombie.
Come on, you can do it.
You're a construction worker. You got old man strength. Let's go.
Swimming over there by the shore.
Yeah. He's up high, eh? There he goes.
You're going the wrong way.
Okay, reel.
How does he know where I'm going?
Don't
How
want to go
come I
back.
was able to get mine in and you're like it's leading you. Like it'll. It's only at $3.90 now.
It's what you wanted, right?
Reel.
Work it. Work it.
Baby, work it. There you go. Reel. Let's go. Let's go. He's coming. He's coming. He's getting him. Keep going.
You look like you're about ready to fall over every time you
He
do
was
that.
tired, eh? Keep going.
Don't-
Come on.
My hand's tired now.
Cardio,
Don't bend down
cardio.
so far.
We got He does not want to come yet.
He's out there.
He needs to be right here. Let's go, reel.
You're going the wrong way.
Hey, I'm driving him toward the boat to him.
Yeah, we're trying to make it easy on you.
That was another grouper over there. And we're continuing. Getting closer.
What we got? What we got down there?
Under the boat. Going to the motor. Or the troller.
Bring him up. Pull. There you go. Pull.
Come on. You're close.
Yeah. Not reeling. He's not going to get any closer. Unless you reel.
20 feet. 25.
We're spinning the boat again. It's just, I don't want to spin too fast.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, you're right there.
Reel.
It's right here. All you have to do is bring him up.
He's close. He's close. Where is he? Right there. There he is. There he is. Pull him. Pull him.
That's a big one.
I can't see him.
He's camera shy.
There he is.
And it's a different one. Look over, see where the hook set is? Perfectly placed into that corner of the mouth. Hey, by golly, I think you got yourself almost a 6-footer.
No, mine was bigger.
No.
Now it's just personal pride here. That's what you wanted, right?
That's what we came out here for. Big Al. The best when it comes to shark fishing.
Yep, you got a 6-foot. 6-foot bull.
Woo-wee. Oh, there's his teeth.
Yeah, reach down in there. He'll show you his teeth. He likes meat, and that's why you let him run.
Want to feel the weight on this one?
No, it's the same size.
Let's go back to the replay. All right.
We'll bring it in.
Below
Hold on,
the,
what's behind me here, Trent?
What?
just kick the bag.
Just walk back, yeah. Walk back. I got it.
Well, you gotta let slack down once
No.
he gets it.
No, I got it good.
All right. Cool. One more time.
Oh my, that was awesome. Holy
Good,
moly.
yeah, that was good.
All right, already checked this
Tight.
the second go around.
Tighten your drag just a little.
Yeah.
Pull up. Tighten your drag a little. Tighten your drag a little.
What are you telling me to do?
One more?
Get it in?
Yeah, tighten that drag some.
Okay.
Tighten it up.
Need more?
More.
Okay.
All right, we're stuck on coral. Stand by.
Are we?
Yeah,
Grouper?
thank you. I gotta see my trolling motor turn.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, no, I got a head shake, but
All right.
Yeah, I feel like we're
Yeah.
just somewhere.
would the shark still get himself caught on the
Oh, yeah.
hook? Yeah. Is that
I'd
one,
prefer
that
you
one
not to-
didn't run like a grouper, right?
Prefer you not to fight him up there.
No, okay, come down.
I about lost a guy already once up there. It gets really scary when you see somebody on his one tippy toes. We're going to come up, do a wide arc around him and see if we can get him off of the coral. Is he loose?
Feel like something came, yeah.
All right, go ahead and pull him up.
They're working.
Oh,
You're caught.
back on, yeah.
All right,
Oh, now we came out.
all right, pull up. Work them from 10 to 12. 10 to 12 on the pole. Don't go down that far.
Okay. I feel like it might be a grouper, no?
It could be, but he ran pretty good for a grouper.
He's on the coral again.
This guy's a smart one.
Yeah, if he's a grouper, he ran pretty good when
All
he
right,
took
come
the
back
bait.
here and put your butt cheeks on the pole here. Because if he takes off, I want you to be able to brace yourself.
Yeah, sweet cheeks.
Ah, you see, just come up off the coral. Oh, another one. He just broke.
Line broke.
He just cut off on the coral.
Oh, no.
Nope.
Oh.
What's happening? Now that was something happened there. Oh.
Yeah, we're right over a coral bed.
Oh, fuck, there's another big one.
Another big one right there.
Oh, yeah, that's better. That's better. Yeah.
Keep it up high. Keep it up high.
Will work there, Mr. Oyster?
Yeah, nothing. Piece of
Eh?
cake.
Every day,
As long
arm
as
day.
it's bigger than yours.
Every day's an arm day.
Oh, grouper.
Grouper.
Definitely bigger than yours.
Ooh, that was a big tail slap. Yeah, that was a big tail slap.
See how he got cut on the
And the coral, yeah.
coral.
Wow. That's awesome. We both got groupers and yeah, I think that's bigger than mine.
Are we gonna man him? Are we gonna do it?
Huh?
Are we gonna bring him in or
You gotta
what?
weigh him
Yeah.
because mine was 10.
Oh, fishing! Okay, Chris.
Say that. Say that. Wait, how do you say that? Okay, time for a wrap up. I'm here with Trent and Chris. I'm Al. And good day fishing.
Awesome day.
Very good day.
You wouldn't know how much I had to pay him to say that. We caught quite a few fish. Introduced you to ladyfish
Yep.
and caught a bait. It was a lot of fun. We got a lot of poo on the boat deck from ladyfish. Those that you've been on the boat know what ladyfish do to the boat. We used some ladyfish.
Catch the big ones.
Yep. You both caught a shark.
Yes, we did.
Who caught the biggest shark?
I think it was me.
I did.
I think it was me.
Anything on the boat's mine.
Yeah.
And we Goliath grouper fished. They seem to be in at the moment, so that's kind of a good thing.
That was fun. First
And
time?
yeah, first time. So what else did we catch? Oh, those catfish. You caught a bunch of catfish.
A couple catfish.
Yeah. And trout.
Yeah.
Speckled trout.
Trent, I think that was it, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
So
Pufferfish.
No.
We-
Funny.
No, I said no pufferfish.
no puffers. I saw one. So I don't know. You coming back next year?
For sure.
Coming back next year, gonna
Guaranteed.
try to get down in the summer.
Guaranteed.
Cool.
Try and stop us.
So anyway, I want to thank you for having me get to show you around my
thanks, Al.
little water world.
We want to thank you for taking us
Yes,
out.
thanks for having us on your
Means
boat.
the world to us.
And I guess till next time. See you later.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.